Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rahila Malifi, and my group members and I are going to be walking you through our ICT coursework.
My name is Karen Mohayana, and I'll be walking you through PowerPoint presentation.
I'll be walking you through PowerPoint presentation as well.
I'm Amara Kirdelota, and I'll be presenting on Excel.
I'm Moisesi Piri, and I'll be presenting on Excel.
I'm Hamasikinyane and I'll be presenting on Excel.
I'm Lisa Mukoteni, and I'm going to be presenting on the Microsoft Word document.
I'm Marcel Kapp, and I'll also be walking you through Microsoft Word. I'm going to be taking you through the Word document. So the first thing we do is highlight the text, and we change the font style to Arial. We change the font size to 12. We then go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab in the paragraph column, we justify the text, and then we adjust the line spacing by taking it to 2. The next thing we do is we go to the Insert tab, and at the Insert tab, under the header and footer column, we are gonna insert a page number on the bottom of the page, and we're gonna format that page number to make sure it's on the bottom right on all pages. Thank you.
I'm Linda Mukoteni, and I'm going to be taking you through on how to generate a table of contents. The first thing we're going to do is highlight our first heading, go onto the Home tab and click on the Styles column and click heading 1, which is going to help us automatically generate a table of contents. We're going to open the references and click on the table of contents, and that's how you generate a table of contents. Moving on how to reference using the APA referencing style. First, we're going to highlight a text that we want to reference on. Go to the reference tab, and on the reference tab, we are going to choose the type of referencing style we want to use, which is the APA referencing style. After clicking on it, we go to Insert Citations and click on the tab that we want to reference on. And that's how you reference using the APA referencing style.
My name is Hamasikinyane and I'll be taking you through Excel. First, we're expected to create a table with the information that we have been given. So we're going to type in our information as shown, starting with part name, then to the quantity, lastly cost. Then to create our table, we're going to select our data in the spreadsheet. Select and highlight our data in the spreadsheet. Then go to Home in the menu bar and Borders. Then select all borders. And then we have our table. From there, we're supposed to insert 2 more columns. So we're just going to type and name them. The first one is going to be total price. Then the second one, profit. To get our total price, we're going to come up with a formula starting with equals. Then we use the cell reference C2 multiplied by 1.4. Then we have our answer. To get the other answers, we select and highlight using our cursor and copy the same formula, apply it, and we have all our answers. Moving on to the profit, to calculate the profit, we're just going to come up with a formula which will be subtracting and it's going to be equals D2 minus C2. Then we have our profit. For the rest of them, we also just select and highlight using the cursor and apply the same formula. Then it gives us the rest of the answers. Thank you.
My name is Wetu Sipiri and I'll be doing the Excel. To insert a title row, you first go to the first row and you select and highlight from column A to column E. And then you go to the Home tab and select Insert in the Cell section, and then you insert Sheet Row. After you insert the sheet row, you type ABC 2021, motors, stock levels, and pricing. And then we highlight. And then we go to the Home tab, the Alignment section, we click Merge, and we merge and center. After that, we go to the font and we change the color of our row to light gray. To save our worksheets, we'll be going to the toolbar, click Save, and then you save the workbook as Profit. And then we insert a column for order quantity after profit. To calculate the order quantity, all the items whose quantities are 75 or below, we place an order of 45%. We write equals if, open brackets, B3 greater than or equal to 75, comma 0.45 multiplied by B3, comma 0.2 multiplied by B3, and then close brackets.
I am Awa Abiyogyalozo and I'll be taking you through how to create a pie chart. First, we select the part name and quantity. Then go to the toolbar and insert tab and choose the economic chart and select the pie chart. We then proceed to changing the title to ABC Motors. To calculate the total of the costing formula, we use the formula sum and highlight the column from C3 to C10. Doing the same for total price and profits.
I'm Ratila Malifi and my course mates and I are going to be walking you through the PowerPoint presentation. On the first slide, we're going to go to the Home tab and then we're going to go to New Slide and pick the title slide layout. On the first slide, we're going to have our school name and our presenters' names. We're going to be adding our theme color. You go to Design, and then you go to Variants, and go to Colors, and then you pick a theme color. After that, we're going to pick our transitions. You go to the Transitions tab, pick a transition, and then you apply to all the slides. On the third slide, we're gonna go to our Home tab, pick New Slide, and then we're gonna go onto the To Content slide. On this slide, we're gonna have our topic as Lifestyle at Willowwood Academy. On the right side, we're going to have how we face the challenges, and on our left side, we're going to have the common challenges we faced during COVID-19.
We are going to add animations by going to the Animations tab. and we're going to animate the contents that we have selected using the float in. Okay, moving on, we're going to go to the Insert tab, where we're going to go to the text section and tap on Header and Footer, where we're going to put today's date, and it will update automatically. Then we're going to click on the footer and apply to all the slides. There we have today's dates.
And this will be the end of our coursework 1 presentation. Thank you.